Okay, I bought this 10.5 foot extension ladder, telescoping ladder for my rooftop tent build that I'm working on here. And I don't need it to be as long as it is, so I needed to disassemble this ladder, and it took me a while to figure out how to do so. So I wanted to show a quick video on how to do that. If you need to repair one of these ladders, or if you just want to remove some of these rungs to make it shorter like I'm doing, this is how you do it. So these are each attached to a telescoping pole. So what you'd need to do is just, let's start with this one. So you'd open this up, and there is a retaining tab on the front and on the back. So what I've done is I just take a little screwdriver, pop that up, and then you need to pull over on the retaining tab. So you would pop up on that, pull over on the retaining tab, and then tap it with a hammer. And I would kind of just do that alternatingly, pop these up on each side while pulling over on that tab, give it a little tap, and eventually it will pop off the top of it like this one has here. So then you reach your next snag, which is that once these legs are loose from the rungs, they don't want to come off. There's like a plastic thing in there. So this took me a while. The first one I actually caused some damage to this ladder trying to remove it, so I wanted to save you the hassle of that. And so what you do is you remove two at a time at least. So I removed two rungs. This one came off of here, and this one came off of here. And then this will back down over the second rung, revealing, sorry, hold on a second here. Hard to film and do this at the same time. There we go. Revealing this plastic retainer. And so then all you do is remove the plastic retainer, which can come off really easily with it exposed like this. So you just pop this guy off. Like that. And then this slides off. And then I assume that I guess to put it back on, you could probably put the plastic retainer on and then slide this back on there, but it doesn't really matter either way. That's kind of the gist of how you get this thing disassembled, which is nice because I was really struggling to get these off and was just kind of stumbled upon this by accident, which I'm pretty happy about. So there you go. That's how you disassemble a telescoping ladder.